Welcome to Agriculture Mamata channel. Today we are going to talk regarding Epsom salt, friends. Epsom salt is hydrated magnesium sulphate. This provides magnesium as well as phosphorus and sulphur. It helps in making available sulphur to the plants, and magnesium is very important for helping the plants to make chlorophyll, and chlorophyll in turn helps in photosynthesis, friends. As we all know, we have studied in our earlier classes that how photosynthesis occurs. We all very well know. Coming to the Epsom salt, friends, just go for soil testing. If you have some problem in the soil, if high soil salt content is there, then try to cut the Epsom salt application to half, or you can apply it in alternate year, so that it will be helpful in the development of the plant growth, and plant grows green, proper green color, and grows vigorously. You get nice blooms since it helps in making available phosphorus. So phosphorus is helpful in blooming of plants, friends. Epsom salt helps in the plants to absorb phosphorus, which in turn helps the plant growth and vigorous blooms, friends. You can see this. This is available in market. You can purchase and use this Epsom salt. This is also called bath salt also, friends. Friends, this you can apply. It's written, indications are written here. 1 tablespoonful in 5 liters of water. Spray on foliage plant. Soil application: once sprinkle up 1 cup of Epsom salt for 100 square feet area. Mix into soil before planting. It's written on this, friends. Soil application with irrigation. Dilute 2 tablespoonful in 5 liters of water. Apply on 25 square feet area or 50 to 100 ml per plot. So friends, you can take itself and improve the garden, and your kitchen garden will be beautiful by using this Epsom salt. It helps in seed germination also, helps to overcome. You can find it, everything is written over here, friends. Whatever I have told, that's enough. And take care of yourself, friends, and your plants. This is Epsom salt. It looks like this, and you can apply this and take your increase your blooms. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Mamta signing off, friends.